Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a new year. This is a great opportunity to keep working in the things that we love. And in this episode, I'm going to be using this belt that I found in a thrift store in order to make a closure for this journal. So the first thing I did was cutting this piece from the inner part of this belt, and I'm going to be placing it in the way that I can go around the journal and then have this jump ring in here and then make it hard or pull it hard and try to give my journal a little bit of shape and closure. And as you can see in this part here, in the very far end, I have a piece of velcro and the other piece is on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out from here and I'm going to sew it in the other part of the belt. I don't know what this belt was about, and I'm suspecting it was from a bag, probably from some dog or pet little device or something. I'm not sure, but it is the perfect size, and also it has the perfect length and also the color, because if you can see, this is all gray and that is completely gray. So now at this point I just need to decide how tight I want this to be. And another option I have, if I don't want to see this from the outside, what I can do is also I can place it the way it's supposed to go, like with this on the inside, and just go around the journal and do it this way. But in this case I will need to change also this velcro here, because there is no way for me to have it pull back and glue it in here. And if you can see here, if I pull it this way, this is gonna always be loose. So I decided to have it on the opposite way, even if it's not probably the correct way of doing it, because it is always good to have something grunge and nice and original around our journals. So this is what I have. Actually, this is a rubber band, so it's flexible. And let me see, I think that this is enough for the closure, and this will be the exact place in which I need to sew the velcro. And let me know in the comments down below. It's been a while since we haven't get in touch again. After Dephemberember, we had so much fun participating and doing amazing things. And by the way, I'm gonna be giving you or leaving you the final touches I'm going to be giving to my journal for Dephemberember. That is exactly this one I'm holding over here. So from start to end, I love it. I really like everything I did inside. Every ephemera, every page was a challenge, and of course I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. So let me know in the comments down below how your year is going, how is December leaving you good memories, and how is January actually is about to go away. So let me know in the comments what new projects are you involved in, and if you have a new journal. Also remember, I have my journal Mamacitas. I have it just here close to my desk, and I'm gonna be working on it because I want to finish the cover, and of course I'm gonna start working on it. So you are very welcome again, and let's open the door for this new year and start our journey of creativity and self-discovery together. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. And yes, so I'm just giving this a little bit of stitches around here, like slow stitching. I don't think this thread is a good quality one, but this is the perfect color. It's the exact gray, so that's why I pick it up. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you an amazing purse I made myself with crochet that is really, really nice, and you're going to be in love with it too. So let me see, I just have to give this another 2 stitches and this is going to be all set. Yes, I don't think this is a good quality thread, but I'm going to do it. Nothing is impossible, right? So this is the last stitch I'm giving, and it's giving me problems. Oops. Let me see. Okay, so I need to pull it one by one. These things can happen, and of course it's horrible, but I'm gonna superate this obstacle. Here we are. So now let me just cut here and just place this inside. Let me hide this little part, and then we're gonna be all set. All right, let's go inside here, and this is it. Let's see the final result and see how this works. I already told you that it's going to be a little bit grungy on this side, but it doesn't matter. So I hope this works. Yes, this is more than perfect, and I'm going to show you from every side. This is here, this is this part. This I can just go ahead with a marker and just cover this. Apparently it also comes into my mind that it can also belong to a lunch bag or something, because apparently it has a name around here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do with a marker like so, and probably in the future what I can do is I can glue something or go with the yarn and do something around this part of the little belt. This journal is amazing. It's full of memories, and this is all I have for today. So it's a great idea. Whenever you go to a thrift store, just look for little pieces, little details that probably nobody's gonna care about, but for us they can be big treasures to include in our journals, as this belt was. So thanks for coming again to my channel. I see you in my next episode, that is gonna be tomorrow, and please don't go away without subscribing down here for a new creative episode. I see you very soon. Don't forget to leave me thumbs up, to share this episode, and also check the links down below in the description box. I see you very soon. Bye friends. Bye bye. Bye friends. Bye.